Hello friends, in my previous video I would explain. Hello friends, in my previous video I am already explained that addition reactions of alkenes in if the addition reactions of alkenes for symmetrical alkenes, there is no problem at all, but to perform the addition reactions for unsymmetrical alkenes, they should follow two specific rules that are Markovnikovs rule and Antimorkovnikovs rule. Now I will explain these rules clearly with example. First I will explain Markovnikovs rule. See friends, Markovnikovs rule says that negative pot add to the carbon atom which having the less number of hydrogen atoms. What Markovnikovs rule says that if we add HCl to the alkene, for suppose in that negative part is add to the carbon atom which has the lesser number of hydrogen atoms. See friends, what the rule? See friends, Markovnikovs rule said that negative part of the compound adds to the carbon having less number of hydrogen atom. Now I will explain with example. First suppose we take the one unsymmetrical alkene, that is propene we take H2. See friends, it is one unsymmetrical alkene. If we add the HCl to this, then we get a product here, Cl minus H plus is there. Here what the Markovnikovs rule says that negative part of the compound, this is the negative part, adds to the carbon having lesser number of hydrogens. Here double bond is there, two carbon atoms. If my question is which is added to this side and which is added to this carbon, yes, according to Markovnikovs rule we have to add the negative part adds to the carbon which having the lesser number of hydrogen. See friends, this carbon have least number of hydrogens when compared to this, that's why Cl minus is added to this side and H plus is added to this carbon. Now we get a product. Here Cl minus is there and CH3. Yes, see friends, according to Markovnikovs rule we get a product. Now I will explain the anti-Markovnikovs rule. See friends, same this type of unsymmetrical alkene, if it is proceeds with in the presence of peroxide, then we have to follow the anti-Markovnikovs rule. See, now anti-Markovnikovs rule said that it is exactly opposite to the Markovnikovs rule. Markovnikovs rule says what? Negative part of compound adds to the carbon which have less number of hydrogen atoms. But anti-Markovnikovs rule says that negative part of compound adds to the carbon having maximum number of hydrogen atom. Yes, it said that negative part adds to the carbon having maximum number of hydrogen atoms. hydrogen. See friends, Antimorkovnikovs says that negative parts adds to the carbon having maximum number of atoms. See, I will explain with example. Here, the same unsymmetrical answer. Here also I will take the propene H3 CH double bond CH2. Here also I will add HCl, but in presence of peroxide. In presence of peroxide. Yes. Here same unsymmetrical alkene is there, but it occur in the presence of peroxide, so it will follow the anti-Markovnikovs rule. What anti-Markovnikovs rule says that here minus negative charge and here it is a positive part is there. Here negative part is adds to the carbon atom which have maximum number of hydrogens. Maximum number of hydrogens. See, in Markovnikovs rule, we add the negative part to the carbon which has least number of hydrogen, but in carbon which has maximum number of hydrogens, and positive part adds to the this. Then we get a product. CH3 here CH. Then we get a product CH3, CH2 and CH.